Hi all, this is Richard from Arqino. Am doing a three-part video, and this is the first part, based on Talos, the middleware configuration management and automation solution by Avnet. We've built our MQ plugin that targets specifically MQ environments. And in this first of three parts, I will show you the ability to read in existing MQ middleware environments and create templates based on the configuration of those environments, and in a way allow you to move those configurations to different environments, from dev to UAT to pre-prod and production as such. So that's what I'll be showing in this first video. So let's go ahead, just log in to the Talos UI. We are going to put an existing UI into a dev environment. We'll call this MQ8 and it's a VMA, so our first VM, and we'll import an MQ instance. The IP address on this one is 10.211.55.15. Just take my word on that one. There's your login and password. Now this will connect to the VM and read in the entire configuration. My VM is over here. It is a CentOS box. It's running two queue managers on this host, MQ_Queue Manager, MQ8 Queue Manager. Both these are version 8. If we look at the properties overview, you will see we are sitting at version 8.02 on both of these. If we go back to our Talos environment, it has successfully written that topology, and we now have this topology at that IP address with two queue managers. From here we can edit this, we can clone this, and build that out. So from this point now, we're going to just read in the configuration. That will now go off to that box based on the SSH information. For interest sake, this particular installation is running username password. The next version of Talos will be running secure certificates SSH connections, so that will comply with most enterprise standards. That has now sucked that in. So in the configuration that we've just read in, we've now got all the details around the queues that are in those queue managers. So to show you how we take that to the next level, we now create a template based on the MQ environment, and here we go. There's our two queue managers. This here is queue manager, the first one. The second one is just a basic cut down one with just one queue on it. So what this in effect gives us is the ability to tokenize around an entire queue manager to the level of the queue manager that you can bring through one entire queue manager, including all the queues below it and all its attributes for those queues. Where this becomes extremely powerful is, in this example, we are not going to bring through a queue manager itself. We will bring through a set of queues that are particular to a specific application installation. So all of these queues will be brought through. And to show you the power of this, we will tokenize, we'll put it on the update file back out. We will change the max message length on that, create a variable there, and we'll create a variable around the message depth. We now save this template, and now, let's give it a name first. So we'll say application 1 queues. So in saving this template, we now have in our templates a example of all the queues that we need for this specific application. Where we have a lot of strength now is when we point this middleware, or when we go to another existing middleware, say now in a UAT or another dev box, we are able to take this template and apply it to that particular box and build that out. That I will show you in our next video, which will show you a version 8 to version 8, moving these particular queues for this application, and also moving a queue manager. But I'll do that while offline. Please come back if you would like to see any more videos regarding Talos itself. Please go on to the YouTube channel. There are some videos by Scott Bybee and Alden Taylor regarding Talos in its overview, including its installation as well. Thanks. Cheers.